Students, if you remember, in our last class, we have discussed what is rational number, then what is additive inverse, and what is natural number, what is integer, and these all. Okay? Today we will discuss about what are the properties related to rational number. So let us write down the heading first in your pair copy. Properties of rational numbers. Now always remember, beta, properties are always common. Okay, properties are always common. Only the thing that which matters is that whether it is applicable for whole number or not, whether it is applicable for integer or not, whether it is applicable for fractional number or not. So properties names are always common. For example, the first property which we always study is closure. The first property which is named as closure. The second property which we study always, that is commutative. The third property which we study always, that is associative. The fourth property which we always study, that is distributive property. Distributive property. Now distribution is two types. Okay, the first one is over addition and another one is over subtraction. Okay, over addition and over subtraction. So that I will tell you. Then fifth one which we study is role of zero, or you can call it additive inverse also, or additive identity. Additive identity or additive inverse. The next we study, that is role of one, or in that case we study multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. So please mention these one by one. We will study everything. So first of all, I will start with closure property. So I will give you 1 minute of time. Please note down these all and write it down one by one, all the headings. The first one which we will study about closure property. Closure property says that when you add, if you are talking about properties of rational number, so always remember closure means when you add two rational number, answer should always come rational number. When you subtract two rational number, answer should always come rational number only. When you multiply two rational number, answer should always come rational number only. In the same case, when you divide two rational number, the answer should always be a rational number. If these all things follows, we will call it that it is close to addition, multiplication, subtraction and division also. Let us try that whether rational numbers are closed under these all conditions or not. Let us see one by one. Sabse first I am talking about addition. Okay, let us see any rational number. For example, I am taking -2. This is a rational number. I am taking another one. This is 3. Again a rational number. Now let us try adding these two. Now you just tell me, if you add -2 with +3, what answer will you get? Please tell me faster.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay.
1.
Fine. Okay. So this was a rational number. This was also a rational number. What answer you are getting? Can you tell me? Is it a rational number or not? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to another question. Like for example, you have 1 is 5. Another one is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now if I am telling that this is a rational number, this is also a rational number. Now let us add these two. You are knowing it will give you 5 whole 1 by 5. Now you tell me that you are adding two rational number. Can you tell me the answer which you are getting in this case? Is it a rational number or not? 5 whole
Ma'am,
1 by
it is
5.
rational number.
No,
It
ma'am.
is a rational number.
No, ma'am.
It is a
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is a rational number.
Just a second. Now always remember, when you subtract two rational numbers, you will always get a rational number only. Okay? Now let me show you again one more example. Suppose the question is 1 by 4 by 7 and you are subtracting 1 by 7 from it. You will get it 3 by 7. This is a rational number, this is a rational number, and this is also a rational number. It means when you subtract two rational numbers, you will always get rational number only. If suppose I take number like 7 minus 17, okay, now see, this is smaller number, subtracting which number I am subtracting, that is a greater number, but then to what I will get it, you will get it minus 10. This is again a rational number only, because rational number में negative numbers भी आ जाते हैं. So remember, when you subtract two rational numbers, you will again get it a rational number only. Okay, now let us try for multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2, answer comes 6. Rational number, this is also a rational number and this is also a rational number. Let us take different number. For example, 3 by 2 multiplied by 15 by 6. A random number I took. Okay. Now look at here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. More it will not be cancelled. It will give you minus 15 upon 4. Now tell me, this was a rational number, this was a rational number. Tell me the answer which you are getting, is it a rational number or not? Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you have seen that when you are multiplying two rational numbers, the answer which you are getting, that is again a rational number. It means we have just proved it that rational numbers are closed under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication also. Now, if you will see the three conditions which you took it, all were giving you the rational number only. It means rational number divided by any other rational number, you get answer rational number only. In all three above condition, you saw that you are getting the answer rational number only. But if you see the last condition, minus 6 divided by 0 means minus 6 upon 0. And you are knowing any number which is divided by 0 will always be not defined. Okay, या तो आप इसको ऐसे कह सकते हो कि it is not defined, or you can also see a number which is written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. But यहाँ पर क्या है? Q is equal to 0. It means it is not a rational number. ये definition को गलत कर दे रहा है ना? So it means the last condition is not giving you rational number. And remember, it is only in the case of when you are dividing by 0. ठीक है? 0 is a rational number. ये भी rational number था, ये भी rational number था, but जब आपने divide किया, the answer which you are getting, that was not a rational number. ठीक है? So remember, closure property is only true for addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not for division. Is it fine? Yes or no? Please reply in the chat box, which we have already written. The heading rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but not in division. Now always remember, beta, commutative property is basically about changing the order. Okay, and which is very, very known to you. Why it is very known to you? You should be always remembering that you can add and you can multiply. You can add and you can multiply rational numbers in any order. Okay, for example, like I'm just giving you example again, addition, subtraction, multiply and divide का. Okay, this gives you commutative property कहती है कि when you add and when you just change the order in addition, the answer should remain same. For example, if you talk about like A plus B and B plus A, they should always give you the same answer. That is called changing the order. ठीक है? For example, you are always remembering कि हम addition में कभी भी order change कर सकते हैं, answer will not be affected into it. Same thing goes for multiplication also. You can even multiply any two rational number by changing its order. For example, A into B can be given as B into A also, and both will give you the same answer. For example, like 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, both will give you answer as 6. Okay, same condition goes to addition also. -5 plus 7 and 7 plus -5, both will give you the correct answer, that is only 2. It will not be changed. Okay, so remember, in that condition, always remember, when you talk about commutative property, it is only true for addition and multiplication. Now let us see why they are not true for subtraction and division. Now let's see. 5 minus 3 will give you 2, and 3 minus 5 will give you -2. Now you can see both are not giving you the same answer. Okay, for subtraction you cannot change the order. For subtraction you cannot change the order, whereas for addition and for multiplication you can change the order. Now let us see for division also. 15 divided by 3 will give you answer 5. 3 5s are 15. But if you write 3 divided by 15, it will not give you 5. It will give you 1 by 5. So it means you can see here, this is not true for division and this is not true for subtraction. It is only true for addition and multiplication. So what will you write in a conclusion? Rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication only. Write it down on your chair. Rational numbers are commutative under addition and under multiplication. Associative property says that, for example, if you have 3 numbers like A, B, and C, okay, it says that you can always group the number and it will not affect your answer. For example, you have multiple number in your question and you are grouping the number and solving it, so it will not affect your question. For example, let us try for addition. It says for addition that if you add A plus B first and then at the last you add C, or in another condition you add A and C first and at last you add B, the answer will not be changed. And that is very true, you know that, because addition में आपने पढ़ा भी है. अगर मैंने आपको नंबर दिया 15 है, एक 5 है और एक सपोज 20 है, ठीक है, तो अगर आप 15 और 5 को पहले ऐड कर लो और लास्ट में 20 को ऐड कर दो, तब भी आंसर जो आएगा आपका 20 plus 20 which will give you 40 only. ठीक है, सेम थिंग अगर आप 20 और 15 को पहले ले लो और लास्ट में 5 को ऐड कर दो, तब भी जो आंसर आएगा आपका वो 35 and 5 which will give you 40. ठीक है, बिकॉज एडिशन सेज एडिशंस आर कॉम्यूटेटिव. तो अगर एडिशन कॉम्यूटेटिव होता है तो आप ऑर्डर कुछ भी रखो, क्वेश्चन चेंज, आंसर चेंज नहीं आएगा. बट अगर आप यही चीज अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए करते बेटा, तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग आ जाता. ठीक है, क्योंकि सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप ऑर्डर चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, so remember it is true for addition only. Now let us see for subtraction. Sorry, let us see for multiplication now. For multiplication, it is also saying this: A into multiply B multiply C, which will give you here A into multiply C and at the last multiply by B. This is correct one. Okay, now mention this as a heading in the last. Now please mention this one beta. This is for associative property. Please mention this 2 lines for associative property and write it down. Rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication. Finished.
Jai Hind ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Ma'am.